story. So once again, it's Chaplain Bailey coming to you live from Seattle, Washington. It's 9 o'clock in the evening, and I'm talking about real life, right? Emotional healing. How many people I talk to on a regular basis who have some serious emotional stuff going on in their lives that they have not been able to deal with, or they're unwilling to deal with. Why is that? Right? All right. If you want to talk about celebrities, look, we could talk about Kanye West, right? We've seen the same emotional issue with him, right? That something that happened, the way he responded in the media, the experiences he had in the media, and we look at these individuals and we go, man, what is going on with them? We can't overlook the fact that there is an emotional part to our lives. And if we don't deal with the emotional experiences and things that, the trauma that we've experienced in our life, and being honest to say, look, that experience damaged me. It hurt me. It did something to me, and get the right help you need, right? My job as a chaplain is that I help people. I talk to people who are going through traumatic experiences in their lives, and I help them get through those experiences. That's what I do. It's my profession. Right? There are people listening to me right now who are having traumatic experiences in life. Right? Whether it be a relationship that's going south, whether it be just a lack of self-confidence. We can name many other different reasons why a person could be struggling mentally right now, even here on a Saturday night. I don't know where you grew up. For me, on a Saturday night, Friday night, that was party time. It's a time to let go, time to kind of regenerate, recuperate, start all over again, become human, right? Hang out with friends, go dancing, go have a great time, right? No regrets. Go to Vegas. No regrets, right? Just kind of let loose a little bit, because you knew that the next week coming up, you'd be back at it again, right? Grinding and building the life that you want to have. But in the middle of that, I have a popular saying. Life doesn't ask for our permission. Life does not ask us for our permission to be fully present. It doesn't. Right? And that means that there will be relationships that go south. There will be financial difficulties we have, like things that we expected that don't quite work out for us. These things are all common. And I want to encourage you to not see these as experiences and things that you cannot get out of. Because I believe that you can. And when I say get out of, I mean, what are you learning from these things? As you lay your head down, I know those on the East Coast, it's 12 o'clock right now. Some folks are still hanging out. Maybe you're showing up on the app or whatever the case may be. And then for those on in Central Standard Time, it's 11 o'clock. And for those of us here, it's 10 o'clock on the West Coast. But listen, we got to get through these things. And my job as your chaplain is to say to you, listen, don't be so hard on yourself. Get the help you need. Talk to the people. One of the reasons why I encourage people to, come onto the Wisdom app, chat with me, is so that we can not only develop a sense of commonality, but after we leave these conversations on the Wisdom app, a lot of times I'm encouraged. I feel great. I'm like, okay, yeah, I had a chance to have an opportunity and to have a great conversation with someone on the Wisdom app. It was great. And it makes me feel good about my evening. And maybe God will use that conversation to encourage you, to help you. And maybe, we're not saying you got to come out and, spill all your personal business or anything like that. It's not the point. It's not what we're getting at. We're getting at is that, listen, if you're at a transitory stage in life, in other words, you have a situation that you're trying to work through and it's quite difficult for you. Or maybe you're looking for answers. You're looking for a way forward. This is an opportunity for you to come in. This is Chaplain Bailey coming to you live from Seattle, Washington. I want to invite you to